Well, this is the beginning, so.
Ready, ladies?
Oh yeah. Got my hoops on.
Catherine lives in 105. Go to her house if you want a high five. She can play Mozart or Willie Nelson, but on the dance floor, that girl's a 10. She can shoot the hoops and fight the fights. Pigtails all day, side pony all night. To win her heart, you better listen close. She loves her piano, violin, sculptures. Read to her in different tones. It takes her all day on her high-tech phone. Her sexy hair flip is second to none, especially when she does it 3 times, not 1. Straps for you on your day of birth. Nothing really rhymes but girth. Ladies, it's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
We're gonna get down, yo, 'cause it's your birthday.
Yeah. Woo!
And grills. But on the dance floor, that girl's a 10. She can shoot the hoops, and her sexy hair flip is second to none, especially when she does it 3 times, not 1. Y'all ready? Catherine lives in 105.